Okay, in this video, we're going to go over how to search for an item. Now, our system doesn't work the way Google works or an internet web search would work. In our system, you have to use a wildcard in order to search for a term in a specific location. So let's say we were in item ID. Let's double click here, and you'll get the Find Item screen. Now, let's say we wanted to search for item description, and we wanted to search for quarter inch or just quarter. We'll type in just quarter with no wildcard, and you'll hit enter. Now notice we have rows retrieved says 4065. Now we have more items that have quarter inch or quarter in the item description than that, but all it looks for, since there was no wildcard placed before this, is any item that starts with quarter. And so you'll see we only have 4,000 items in that case. So now we're going to come back up here, and we're going to put %sign before it, and we're going to hit enter. So now what this has come up with is under item description, using a %sign quarter, we now have 19,779 rows retrieved, which means that there are almost 20,000 items that have quarter in its description. Now you can use %sign in conjunction with more %signs. So what we'll do is, let's say we're looking for a quarter inch jobber length drill. Most of our jobber length drills have JL in the description, so let's just use that. So we'll say quarter JL. Now see we have 34 items that have quarter and JL in the description. And what this does is, this looks for anything with quarter inch or quarter, and then afterwards anything with JL. Now when you look for an item, once you've done a search term, you can actually manipulate the information that comes up to show you, as an example in this case, we'll show what's available. So I've looked for quarter JL, %sign quarter, %sign JL, and I want to see what we have available that has that description. So I'm going to select available, I'm going to click it once, and then I'm going to click it again. And this will show you just the material that you have available, and it sorts from largest to smallest. So you see here I've got a quarter inch precision twist drill, jobber length, 135 split point, type J, cobalt, and it's got that bright. And then also have the quarter inch precision twist drill, jobber length, 118 degree point, high speed steel, black. So I've got some cobalt and high speed steel in stock here in Lafayette. Now if you wanted to check other people's locations to see what they had in stock, you can use this plus sign here. So let's look at the quarter inch jobber length 118 degree point. So we'll hit plus, and now you can see what everybody else's location, what they have in stock on this particular item. Now if a customer was, let's just say as an example in this case, they wanted to order 20 drill bits and you didn't have the 20 in stock, what you could do is you could select a different location, and it will now source and ship from that location. So we're going to go ahead and select New Orleans because New Orleans has 29 in stock. So we're going to double click this, and you see now it shows their quantity available. We're going to put 20 here and hit enter, and now we're going to be sourcing and shipping out of their location, and you can see this by going into the extended info tab, and you see source and ship is now shipping and sourcing out of New Orleans. And that's all we are for item search.